inside universities, what we can do to sponsoring labs, to sponsoring some building, to sponsoring some projects for students, for example. And also in schools, we sponsoring that schools, for example, the gift of children for students, and also give them all facilities what the school want. We also make that sponsoring to make that educational process as easy. So that our program, we as a main program, we believe that could be reduced and as strategic to provide the education for everyone in the world. Yeah, we hope everyone get that right.
Okay, thank you. The sixth question is, how does ISCO ensure that education is inclusive and accessible to all children, including those with disabilities?
Yeah, that is very good questions actually, because in the first main program we said about hope. So that hope is, it's right also to give from us. It's like obligations from us to give the children, because when you build that child in the society or the community, so we believe that when he has knowledge, great education, so he can go ahead and build in the future his country as the solution for development. And this is the first part. Child, we provide to them all items, all support what we can do inside these programs and that projects to give them the opportunity of study. For disabilities students, actually we provide some facilities for them, specifically recently in Gaza war, in the last war now, we provide some facilities and some like chair for them when they want to go study, and we make some also the area to be stable for the children in disabilities category. But we now in our plan in 2025 we have a program for them specifically to enhance their education and skills. So how we can that program to how development their skills, for example by computer, by phone, by they can make some missions or tasks that they can continue their life and to communicate with other by these skills. So we have that category also get their education. In higher education, we sponsoring before times around 2 students in PhD level. They get their study and they finish and they complete their study by sponsoring from us. They